Let us study third example of intragenic interactions, that is multiple alleles. What is meaning of multiple alleles? So here, as name indicate, multiple meaning more than two, alleles meaning forms of single gene, more than two alternative forms, that is alleles of a gene in a population occupying same locus meaning same position on chromosome, are known as multiple alleles. एकाच जीनचे दोनपेक्षा जास्त फॉर्म्स जे क्रोमोझोमवरती एकाच लोकसला म्हणजे त्यांची पोझिशन ही सेम राहते अशा अलील्सला किंवा अशा जीन फॉर्मला म्हणायचं मल्टिपल अलील्स. ही मल्टिपल अलीलची डेफिनेशन 2-3 वेळा येऊन गेलेली आहे 1 मार्क क्वेश्चनसाठी. मल्टिपल अलील्स आर प्रोड्यूस ड्यू टू म्युटेशन्स ऑफ वाइल्ड टाइप ऑफ जीन. सो वाइल्ड जीन, वाइल्ड meaning which is having wild nature or which are having primitive nature, they undergo changes, what we call mutation, and because of mutation different forms of single genes are produced. We call it as multiple alleles. For example, you are familiar with coronavirus having different mutated types as original one which is produced during year 20th 19th, or new forms like alpha, beta, lambda. These are different strains of coronavirus produced by mutations of gene. That is one of the example. Gene can mutate several times and produces different alternative expression. So here, because of mutation, because of change in genetic material, because of change in gene, different expressions, that is phenotypic expression, genotypic expressions are produced because structure of gene get changed. These alleles may show dominant recessive relation. So alleles or gene forms, they show dominant nature or recessive nature. Codominance, we have seen example of codominance, coat color in cattle, that is both genes they get expressed equally. And incomplete dominance, where both genes are expressed partially, no any gene is dominant, no is recessive. So in these three different ways multiple alleles show their expression. Now one more important fact is that wild type is dominant over other mutant alleles. It is also important sentence, may come for MCQs. So wild type of gene is dominant gene over mutant alleles, mutated genes. For that you have to study example of fruit fly known by term Drosophila. Type of large number of multiple alleles are known in Drosophila. Drosophila meaning colorful fly having quite large size than that of house fly. आपण काही वेळेला रंगीत माशा बघतो, हिरव्या रंगाची, निळ्या रंगाची, कॉमन अलॉंग व्हॉट वी कॉल्ड डिकेइंग फ्रूट्स, that is Drosophila fly. Example, size in case of Drosophila, which is example, size of wings from normal wings to vestigial. Vestigial meaning rudimentary, or no wings meaning just terms due to one allele VG in homozygous condition. Terms meaning these are flies without wings, म्हणजे या माशा आहेत या फक्त चालणार, यांना उडता येत नाही का, विंग्स रिमेन absent. Body is present without wings. Why it is produced? Because of gene VG having homozygous condition, that is both genes are identical. Normal wing is wild type, while vestigial wing is recessive type. So normal wing, it is having wild nature, while vestigial wing, vestigial meaning rudimentary or having stump like nature, these are recessive meaning they can't show their features and hence wings are not produced. Few phenotypes and genotypes in a Drosophila for wings. They can be expressed as follows. So like this, you have to prepare a table showing phenotype of wings and genotype of wings. Normal wings, they are represented by VG plus. Naked wings, neck meaning having somewhat superficial notch. Neck wings, they are represented by VGNI. NI indicate neck wings. Notch wings, notch meaning quite deep groove or deep cleft. नॉच खाच म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये आपण. नॉच विंग्स दे आर रिप्रेझेंटेड VGNO. NO indicate notch. Then strap wings represented by VGST and vestigial wings by VG. You have seen vestigial wings having genotype VG. It is what we of which type? Recessive type, meaning both genes they can't get expressed and hence wings are non-functional. Body appear like stump, wings remain absent. For this you have to go through table given in textbook. हे जे टेबल आहे तुम्हाला टेक्स्टबुकमध्येही मिळेल ते बघा.